Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So if you'd like to record some action that you are performing on your device, just slide down the upper bar and locate screen recorder icon. It's right here, smoothly click on it, and then decide if you'd like to record with sound or without it. So I will choose just media sound and then click on start recording. 3, 2, 1, and afterwards it will be recorded. So as you can see, it's being recorded, so we can perform some actions. Let me, for example, open YouTube. Let's go back, and now we can stop it by tapping on stop icon right here, and you can see recording is saved. So let me open the gallery to open it, and it's okay. So it will take a while to locate the gallery. Okay, it's here. Go to the videos, and now just click on play to see the video that you just recorded. And that's it. As you can see, this is how it's working. You can smoothly and easily record some fleeting content on your device or any action that you are performing. Then you can delete this video by tapping on the bin icon. You can share it with your friends, edit it, or add to favorites. You can also personalize recording options. Just open the settings at first, find and choose advanced features, go to the screenshots and screen recorder, and then under screen recorder settings you will find the sound options, also the video quality. You can smoothly change it by tapping over here, and then you can also change the selfie video size over here, so you can pick some smaller or larger. And this is it. This is how you can record screen on your device and also how you can customize it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.